Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is all about location, but with a dropshipping twist. We're diving into the world of Spocket and whether this dropshipping platform can be your saving grace if you're running a store in the UK. Now, dropshipping can be a fantastic way to launch your online business with minimal upfront costs. You don't have to worry about holding mountains of inventory, packing boxes, or dealing with pesky shipping logistics. Spocket excels in this area, connecting you with a vast network of suppliers worldwide. But with a global marketplace, comes the question, can Spocket deliver the goods, literally, to your UK customers? The short answer, we got you covered. The good news is yes, Spocket absolutely ships to the UK. In fact, Spocket boasts a large selection of suppliers based in the US and Europe, making them a great option for UK-based dropshippers. Faster shipping times and potentially lower costs become a real possibility thanks to this geographically diverse supplier network. But wait, there's more. Diving deeper. While Spocket can ship to the UK, it's important to understand the finer details. Here's a breakdown of some key points to consider. Individual supplier focus. Not every single supplier on Spocket offers UK shipping. It's crucial to check each product listing individually to see if the supplier can deliver to your target location. Spocket makes this easy. Shipping information is readily available on each product page. Shipping costs and times. Shipping costs and times can vary greatly depending on the supplier's location, the product itself, and the chosen shipping method. Some suppliers might offer flat-rate shipping, while others may have weight or destination-based rates. It's always best to factor in these costs when calculating your profit margins. The power of location. Remember, the closer the supplier is to your customer, the faster and potentially cheaper the shipping will be. When browsing Spocket, prioritize suppliers located in Europe or ideally, within the UK itself. This streamlines the delivery process and keeps your customers happy with speedy arrivals. Spocket features to enhance your UK dropshipping experience. Now that we've established Spocket can be a great fit for UK dropshippers, let's explore some features that can further optimize your experience. Inventory management. Spocket's real-time inventory sync ensures you never oversell a product that's out of stock. This is crucial for maintaining customer trust and avoiding order fulfillment headaches. Automated order fulfillment. Say goodbye to manual order processing. Spocket automates order fulfillment with a single click. Simply connect your online store with Spocket, and the platform takes care of sending customer orders directly to your suppliers. Branded invoicing. Spocket allows you to add your own branding to invoices, giving your business a professional touch. This strengthens your brand identity and fosters customer confidence. Setting sail for success with Spocket in the UK. So, can Spocket ship to the UK? Absolutely. With a bit of strategic supplier selection and an awareness of shipping costs and times, Spocket can be a powerful tool for UK dropshippers. Remember to prioritize suppliers located closer to your customers and leverage Spocket's valuable features to streamline your dropshipping operations. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, happy dropshipping.